student, this is the solution of the question number 4.15 of NCERT exercise. According to question, a ceiling of a long hall is 25 meter high. So this is a ceiling of a long hall which is 25 meter high. Question is being asked that what is the maximum horizontal range, or you can say the distance, that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall. So see, here ball is going and approximately reaches to the maximum height 25 meter, but without hitting it comes down. When it comes down, then this horizontal distance it will cover. So you have to find out this horizontal distance, okay, which is the range. So first of all, we don't know what is the angle of projection. So first of all, we are going to take the condition h is equal to given 25 meter, u is equal to 40 meter per second. What is the formula of the height? This is the height attained by the projectile, u square sin square theta upon 2g. Okay, so if we consider that theta is the angle of projection from here, because we can consider the ball is not going exactly in the vertical direction, it makes certain angle with the horizontal direction. So in that condition, when you will throw the ball like this, so this is the direction of the u. So 25 is the height and 40 is the velocity thrown, and use sin square theta upon 2 into value of g 9.8. So from here cross multiplication we will take. So we have got sin square theta this way, and by solving this you will be getting the value 0.806. This is the value of sin square theta. So what is sin theta? Under root of 0.306 is equal to, when you will find out the square root, it will be coming 0.554 after calculation. Now we are going to find out the value of cos theta also. What is cos theta? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta will be equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. So this way I have written cos theta. Now substitute the value of sin theta. This is the sin square theta. This is the value of sin square theta, 1 minus 0.306, and by solving the value of cos theta you will get 0.833. Now we have to find out this range. So what is the formula of the range? R is equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. Now we have a formula of the sin theta, trigonometric identity, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So here in place of sin theta you will substitute 2 sin theta cos theta upon g. Now substituting all these value, 2 value of u 40, value of sin theta you have got this, and value of cos theta you have got this. By substituting these value and by calculating the value of r, we have got 150.7 meter. This is the range of the ball which cover during the projectile motion.